sturdy and durable, safe and reliable. New flexible track horse fence. Both models are 108 mm wide. Pay material is wrapped around hot-dip galvanized high-strength steel wire. The 3 center wires are 2.5 mm wide, ensuring the fencing is strong and durable, with strong impact resistance and excellent UV resistance. Charged models on the top and bottom. Using graphene conductive material to completely encapsulate the metal wire. Surface area increased tenfold. Ensures optimal electrical conductivity. How to install flexible track horse fencing. Step 1. Fix starting point. Step 2. Tensioning the fence to keep it straight. Step 3. Corner accessories ensure smooth cornering. Step 4. Fix the end to complete the finishing. No complicated tools required. Just a few small accessories required. Easily install a sturdy horse fence. Non-charged type, reliable isolation, simple and durable. Flexible track horse fence, SAFE, durable, easy to install, makes horse management easier.